Now, blood components. Component of blood. Blood generally contain two components. They are formed elements, and one more component is extra matrix. So this extracellular matrix also called plasma, or it is a fluid part of blood. Generally, in blood, 45% of the blood constitute with the formed elements, and remaining 55% of blood constitute with the extracellular matrix, are also called plasma. In this form element, we have two components. They are blood cells. The second one is cell fragments. Here, blood cells are mainly two types of. One is RBC, are also called erythrocytes. Second one is WBC, are also called leukocytes. Under cell fragments, there is a platelets. And these platelets blood cell is also called thrombocytes. And a specialized cells which is present in bone marrow, that is mega cells. So these megakaryocytic cells, when it undergoes fragmentation process, there are number of fragments are become formed. So now these fragments are to become a platelets, and these platelets are called thrombocytes. This is all about the formed elements. Now coming to extracellular matrix or plasma or fluid part of the blood, it constitutes 55%.